In this video, I want to answer a question that I get a lot, and that is, can you make a good living as a business coach? Well, for those of you that have very impatient, low tolerance to long videos, the answer is yes. There you go. You've got your answer. For those of you that want a little bit more detail, stick around. But the answer is yes, you can make a good living as a business coach. There's no doubt about that. There's plenty of people, including myself, that have been able to make millions of dollars from the business coaching industry. Now, there are a lot of people, however, that are not making very much money from this industry, and there are reasons for that. And it's really important that if you're thinking about becoming a business coach, that you understand that this industry requires a certain type of person, skill set, and system and process for you to be successful. And it's no good just being passionate about helping people, because that's not enough for you to be successful. That applies to pretty much any business, but I think in an intangible service business, a professional services business with intangible results, then it's even more important that you have other skills to help you build your business. Now, when we talk about can you make a good living, that's going to, what that means to you is going to be different to the next person. And so it's really important to put this into perspective that you could make more than what you're making in a full-time job, definitely, and have the lifestyle as well. And I think that's why a lot of people enjoy this industry, is because not only can you replace the income that you're probably getting currently from your current role, but you can also do it without having to work as hard. Because what I have found is a lot of people that I come across that are in jobs, especially in the corporate world, they're working ridiculous amounts of hours, competing for that promotion, and putting in late nights and answering emails at ungodly hours, just trying to get the job done and taking work home, and yes, they're getting paid nicely for it, but they're working really hard, so they become a bit of a slave to their job. One of the good things about this industry is that the business coaching industry, you can run your business within relatively short hours each day and still get amazing results, and it's up to you to design your week around your lifestyle. So if you like to be able to drop the kids off, pick the kids up, take Fridays off for golf, you can do all of those things. You have that flexibility in this industry because it's not like a shop front that has to be open every day. All you need is your mobile phone and away you go. So the answer is yes, you can make a really good living out of becoming a business coach, but how you go about doing that is different for every person. Now, if you are worried about how you're going to go about getting clients or deliver great results to your clients so they stick around, it may be a good idea for you to think about taking a small cut on the percentage of income that you get, as far as and joining a team or a franchise group, because it in fact will help you make a bigger living for yourself, because 100% of not very much is not very much, as where maybe a percentage of much more is going to be a greater number. And so it's something that you need to consider if this is an industry that you're thinking about getting involved in, because I have seen plenty of people that are very passionate about business coaching, but they're not very good with the sales and marketing side of the business, not very good with the systems and processes to make sure the clients are getting amazing result. And that means that they are always struggling to get new clients and always struggling to keep the clients that they've got happy, which means that they're struggling to keep their clients full stop. Alrighty, so yes, you can make a great living in this business. Now, it's not the reason why you would become a business coach. It's like any business. Just chasing after the dollar is not going to make you successful. In fact, it's going to mean that you're probably getting into it for the wrong reasons. It's really important that you get into this for the fact that you do enjoy helping people, that you do have a passion for all things business, and that you are prepared to put in the effort up front to really build your client base and get great results. Here at Max My Profit, we are looking for amazing people to join our team as business accelerators in our new accredited franchisee program. If you are passionate about building businesses and working with business owners to help them build the business they imagined, head across to maxmyprofit.com.au, click on the About tab and learn about becoming a business accelerator.